We're doing a whole suckling pig today, jerked, slow cooked over 6 hours of cooking today on the fire. We're doing jerk chicken. There's going to be soup with chicken foot, turkey neck and chicken neck. There's a whole host of other foods that are going to be there. This is Pincher's Bar and Grill. Today is a wicked day. We're here with Chef Manzy. You might remember Chef Manzy from the Mark Queen's vlog where we did the whole roasted pig. Yeah man, the jerk champion himself. Today he has a suckling pig, just a 20-pound pig. I'm going to season it up, then after that now we'll head to the cooking. This is for Snap That birthday, Chescott, Snap That boss, big up yourself. We did up on location. We're just heading out with Manzy now today. We're at the supermarket where he's picking up a few extra seasonings, and we went to the market this morning to get some stuff. I couldn't wake up for that, to tell you the truth. It's Saturday morning. I did decide for just hold asleep and relax my brain. So I didn't make it to the market with him. But we're here at the supermarket now. I'm just picking up a few extra things to add to the dry rub, which he's going to do. And then you're going to see him put on his world famous Manzy's champion winning jerk sauce. So stay tuned. Boom.
You said I catch it quick.
Yes, man. Said plastic there right man. You just use up the plastic, man. Quick. The coal catch and going.
So use the plastic as the igniter.
Yeah.
But that will take longer to burn out than the paper.
And the oil in it now. Yeah, chef, that's a teacher.
Two grill I like, Manzy.
Yeah. Now one go.
So hog and chicken.
Yeah. Chicken and hog.
Chicken and hog.
Yeah.
Alright.
So Manzy just put the hog on the grill. You can see that it's a small 20-pound suckling pig. What it's done, it's marinated in seasoning for 3 days. You can smell the fresh seasoning still on it. Manzy is known as a jerk champion in the West, so you can smell all of that fresh marinade that has been onto it. The scallion, the thyme, the pimento, all of that with the Scotch bonnet just seeping through it as you put it onto the grill. Once the heat touch that, it's going to just create an immense flavor with the heat that comes off of the Scotch bonnet. So he said that after this, it will be around 6 hours before that hog is cooked. So it's going to be low and slow until it comes out tender and marinated with all those sweet jerk juices and that heat that Manzy hits you with in his jerk sauces. Jerk, the food of Jamaica, was developed by the Maroons. How it came about in being developed is that when they ran away off of the plantations and they were hunted by redcoats, which were the English soldiers, the jerk actually developed by them going into the bushes, picking the fresh pimento berries, the Scotch bonnets that you'll find in Jamaica, and using that to season the meat. So when that seasoned the meat now, that would be put underground and covered, almost like a Hawaiian process of doing a pig. But this is Jamaica, so this is our own, where we jerk it with the natural seasoning and flavors. The smoke would then, or the pit would then be covered. The smoke would not give their location away. Now, when that smoke hit the meat, which was originally wild boar found in the hills that was hunted, they would actually use that as a preservative. The smoking it would actually make it last longer, as there was no refrigeration at the time. So right after that hog went on, he just put the chicken on, and as soon as the chicken touched the grill, you could smell the smoke of it just start hit you, make you just can't wait for the food. I mean, the chicken is unbelievable. Manzy is one of the people that made me start eating chicken breast. Just the tenderness, the juiciness that he retains in the chicken during the cooking process is just unbelievable. So that chicken just went on, and you know it's been marinated and seasoned properly with that same jerk seasoning with all the good stuff in there, the Scotch bonnet pepper, all of the ginger, the thyme, the scallion, the onions just fusing together. That's going to create a magical fusion. This is one I got shot, I tell you.
So big boss, I feel work strong, you know. Big boss, work strong, we're making it big up like that.
Load him. Season the pot.
All of the substance for the food. Pumpkin up peel.
That's the pumpkin that just done.
Yeah. Give it the flavor, so you start boiling down the color, so that's nice rich color that you get from it, nice orangish yellow color. That is it. We're going to add more to it later so you can make something to eat. Get the excess fat off of it. You know, and the soup oily.
The fat will make it oily, so you have to take off all of that.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm not getting nervous for the camera.
No, sir.
Steppas are the man them afraid of.
The Steppas were everybody afraid of. me included. We did that last week and I'm doing this shit again.
Manzy's just putting in some of those flour dumplings now that we call spinners. You can see how the soup color has changed and has taken on that color of the pumpkin, just a beautiful yellow that is just so divine and so inviting.
That's what we call catering, don't blame it. This is the boss.
I'm just trying to survive. Man.
This is the boss. You hear me say pinchers. This is the place.
See pinchers dumpling there. I'm trying to survive, man. Yeah.
Now you know it's a boss dumpling that. You can't hold on the spoon.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do when I turn the chicken now, the side that has gotten the char a little bit, I'm just going to re-marinate it. So it keeps it hydrated, keeps the chicken juicy and still doesn't wash off the seasoning. So it keeps the seasoning stuck to the chicken. So when it's done, you see you get a full flavor. You lose nothing from it.
So he's going to flip the hog now. It's been on there for a couple of hours. Flip it. Alright. I want the pigtail.
Doesn't everybody?
Base it. So this is the same thing as the chicken, so you're just rehydrating and making sure the seasoning soak on it. All around flavor. You just massage it right in there, rub it right down, so every inch, every crevice of the hog going to have that seasoning and have that flavor. So that combined with the smoke, the low and slow of the smoke, our problems later start that.
Awesome!
Eating a chicken over here, sir. Fresh chicken over there, sir.
Look at the chicken. No, the flavor is intense. It's so moist for a chicken breast. The smoke, the pepper, which is the Scotch bonnet, with pimento, the jerk season. It's absolutely divine. Like, oh my God. Manzy did it again. The juiciness of the breast, I can't get over how juicy or maintained. Throwing all of that flavors back on it, throwing the water back on it, re-seasoning it, hydrating it with the water, with the marinade that was left in the bucket. Just brought it to a whole different level. Make sure it was tender and just juicy and flavorful. But wicked, but so that hog was like around 6 or 7 hours on the grill, so now the hog is ready. But flavor intense. Heat to the pimento, the Scotch bonnet. The flavor is just soaked all the way down to the
Max, pork I say too. Can't talk.
You see, she go on the bone then. Everything gets in.
Russian.
Yo.
Why pork I say too?
Solid, brother. Solid. Shelly.
Done for you.
Sign where I sign out now. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man.
Rum time.
Thank you very much, man.
Right rum.
White rum.
Right rum.
Right rum.
Right rum. What an absolute awesome day of food. I mean, the food spread was absolutely spectacular. Thank you to Manzy, thank you to Pinchers. Big up Chescott, snap that on his birthday for all of this coming together. I enjoyed myself. My belly is full. It's been an awesome day. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I have. Until next time, boom.